welkom bij een nieuwe video van Sociataal. In this video we are going to learn about questions and question words in Dutch. We're going to discuss closed questions and open questions in this video. Or as you would say in Dutch, gesloten vragen en open vragen. Closed questions are formulated by placing the finite verb in the beginning of the sentence and we put the subject in second place. Closed questions can only be answered with yes or no. And that's why we also call them ja-nee vragen. Here's an example of a closed question. Julia drinkt koffie. If you want to ask if Julia drinks coffee, we turn this sentence into a question. Drinkt Julia koffie? Julia is the subject. Drinkt is the finite verb. As you can see, we place the verb in the first place here. Another example. Mijn oom en tante kopen een hond. In a question, this will turn into kopen mijn oom en tante een hond? Open questions are questions we cannot answer with ja or nee. We formulate an open question with a question word. Let's have a look at our question words. Wie, wat, waar, waarom, welk or welke, wanneer, hoe. As you can see, we have both welk and welke. We use welk for het words and welke for de words. So, for example, welke telefoon koop je? Or welk huis koop je? Here is an example for each question word. Wie koopt een auto? Wat heb je gisteren gegeten? Waar studeer je? Waarom werk je? Welke dag is het vandaag? Wanneer ga je naar huis? Hoe wilt hij naar Canada reizen? Oké, heel goed. That's it for questions in Dutch. Here are 3 sentences and I want you to fill in the blanks. If you want more exercises, you can become a Socia member. As a Socia member, you get extra exercises on every Sociataal YouTube topic and much more. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then make sure to subscribe to this channel. Keep practicing Dutch, and as I always say, tot de volgende keer.